Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CGC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance heading into next week. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up here above the breakout point at $48. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 48, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could somehow manage to actually stay up above 48, that would certainly be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Next level of support after that would be down here at the bottom portion of this consolidation area from this morning, and that sits right down there around the $46 mark. So again, near term wise, you have 46, and then at the very near term, right up there at 48. Taking a step back though and looking at all this from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here I'm defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How are you going to best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 48 would be great, but as far as the grand scheme of it all is concerned, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance next week, pretty straightforward here, nothing complicated at all. Just simply right up there at 49 because that's where the party stopped a couple of different occasions today, this afternoon. Price tried to get up through 49, just couldn't quite do it. So that'll be public enemy number one heading into next week. All in all though, as long as the price continues to chip away and build higher lows like it's been doing over the past few weeks, the overall trend will continue to take care of itself, and part of taking care of itself is breaking levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations, focus on building higher lows, and like I said, just sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.